Hi bestie, welcome to Molalo Nails. Today we're doing the viral nails that keep appearing on my For You page. Beetlejuice's nails. For Halloween, I was like, I have to recreate them. I don't want to say his name 3 times so he appears, but I'm gonna recreate them and maybe he'll leave me alone if he sees I have him on my nails. No, I'm kidding. But either way, let's start. Let's not waste any time. Let's start with an aura nail, a black and white nail. As you know, Beetlejuice, they are main colors: black, purple, orange, and green. I wanted to create a snake around the nail, so I used this hard base gel to wrap it around the nail till I got the desired snaky feel that I liked. Here I'm trying to place it the way I wanted to, so I decided I wanted it at the bottom of the nail. Then I used a cuticle pusher to cut off the ends and trim it nicely. I used purple chrome because I wanted like a shiny snake. I don't want the normal that everybody creates, the black and white one. I wanted something girlish, so I figured purple chrome will work just fine. Once done, I dusted off the excess chrome, and then I used gel finishing white kind of nails. It doesn't quite do the job. It still leaves like a stain behind. Maybe I'm using the wrong thing, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna try other things on my next coming video. Then once done, I applied some top coat. I painted my nail purple, and then I wanted to create an eye, a bloody eye. So I figured an eye on top of a purple nail will slap just fine. So I used the hard base gel. I created a round ball. Then I used this spoolie thing. I don't know what they call it, but I know there's a name for it. And then I just tried to merge it or blend it down with the nail so that it looks like it's growing out of the nail. And I wanted the eye to be big and be a staple. So here I am trying to merge it down. I wanted a milky white, so I used top coat. Applied top coat first. Then I took some white gel powder on top of the top coat without curing it, so it can give me like a milky white effect, which I loved. Once done, I applied some chrome, some clear see-through chrome, because I wanted it to be shiny. We want these to be girly, not too scary, just a little bit of shine, you know. Look at me use a finger. Then I remembered, oh, I have the spoolie thing, let me look professional. So I picked it up and tried to use it. The rubber actually does work, it just takes time. You must just apply some pressure and just rub on it. I put a green dot. I wanted my eye to be green as Beetlejuice, his hair is green, so I wanted like green eyes on it. And then I placed a white dot, and then I placed a black dot to give it that horror eye, so it looks like a real eye. Then I used some red As you'll see, I use some red lines to create those veins, you know, those wrenchy veins of fear. Use the signature green for this next nail. Then, as you know, his suit is black and white, and so I wanted to create that round white thing. I don't know what they call it. You see that thing magicians use when they want to hypnotize you? They'd be like, stay into this eye, into the circle or square. That's what I wanted to create. So I used some black paint and I tried to go around the nail, but I struggled, as you'll see. I was like, a board mission. Let's write BJ, standing for Beetlejuice himself. For this next nail, I decided I'm gonna paint it gray, and then I'm gonna paint Beetlejuice himself. I've never painted a face before, so I was quite nervous, but I went on Pinterest and I saw, this is actually easy. It's a step-by-step thing. You just start with a round dot, a big round dot, then you just place two blobs for eyes, and then you put a smiley, and then you create like a suit, and then the man appears, and then you just slap him on with green, and then he's got green hair, and there's Beetlejuice, but don't say his name. Here I tried to test out, what if I put red eyeballs on him? Then I was like, it doesn't look authentic, so I scrapped that idea. Then for my thumb, I decided I'm going to paint it black and some white stripes, the famous white stripes, and then my nail set will be done. Don't forget, bestie, don't say his name 3 times, otherwise he'll appear. There he is on my nail. Beetlejuice. I love these nails. I hope you enjoyed watching me do them. Thank you, bestie. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the support. Enjoy your day, sweetheart. Enjoy Halloween.